Good morning. How is everybody? Hope you're all well. I'm a little bit rough. Treated myself to a bottle of wine last night. Ended up having a bottle and a half. Anyway. So, that's on a Tuesday night as well. It's not good. So as you've just seen, just prepped this area now. Again, another half finished area. Feels good, man. We're just gonna clear this area here. And then get it done. The grass is coming to the shop today, so we might fit it today, you know. Get Tom on this and I'll start step or something. See how it goes. Just want it to feel good, you know, feel finished. Because really, we're just doing that step. We're walking up and down there on the path bit, and then on the path there's gravel around. It's like stepping stones with gravel in. So, not going to be able to be walking on it, are we? So we might put grass in. Get it off the floor, if as you say, get it off the floor. Yeah, so time to crack on. at that now. Totally taking shape now. See where astroturf is. So we're starting on steps tomorrow, and then stepping stone porcelain. But yeah, that'll finish it off even more. Just looks nice, doesn't it? You just stand back for 5 minutes and just have a look. Yeah, so when you're working on a job this size, it just takes forever and ever and ever, and then you just have to keep looking back on your photos at like the starter, where we've come from, what it looks like now, just to give you a boost, you know what I mean? But days like that, Tom's just said, feels like we haven't done out. But you look back on my video even yesterday morning, and the area where the steps is isn't even there. It's proper low. There's a big hole there, you know. But yeah, it just looks mint, doesn't it? I love it. I love it. So I will catch you all in the morning. Leeds are playing Coventry tonight. I hate Lampard. Proper hate Lampard. So I'll see you all in the morning.